Welcome back from the break, guys. Now his hit song Hurt It Up is making waves. Now in our Talent on the Rise segment, let's meet Spookie.
Well, my musical journey has begun from school days, Tower Hill, at Fremtaril Studio. I used to beat decks in my classroom.
Baby, me love you the same man, me know what you suffer. Dolly Youngs make we go in on the yard back. Run me down till you drop in on the grass. Well, a salad and a pile, me a baller. Pack up your lunch pan, cause you want snacks. No cheese, no bun, she no ask for. Fingernail in a back, you a crabber. Me love your heart like lava. Baby, you good, good and mad, me can't leave you. Night every day, yeah, me want see you. Only a girl out there want me feel love them. Me stick with the girl, me not leave her.
I originate from Kingston 11 Tower Hill, and I attended Mount Carmel Academy. It's a private institution. The first producer I worked with called Danny Minot, Sugar Minot's son, at Black Roots Production, first song called Move Your Body. I leave Jamaica from 2013. Yeah, my mom filed for me. And I'm still there on the musical journey when I migrate from Jamaica. I never did stop. Since going to the UK, I work with producers like Wonderboy Entertainment, J Crazy Records, TJ Records, also E5 Records. The latest single, Earth It Up, which was produced by me, Brain Tear Music, my record label. Yeah, and the song is out like a year now, and creating a mad buzz. Since the song creating a mad buzz, I start get show overseas. I went to Italy over there. Yeah, now I'm in Jamaica, so I'm making moves. I have the follow-up for Earth It Up called Commitment, and I have a single I come out for J Crazy Records, Fall in Love. They're on a juggling for E5 Records, Love Life Rhythm, song called Now Sell Out. I deliver different, I have a different image. I sing what the people want to hear, so my thing I work.
Stop searching, love you from your bond on the earth, you know. Now break your heart, now hurt you so. Real you what you want, me no nerdy, no.
Big up to my place, my base, Tower Hill, Now Sell Out. I want to say big up my manager and a female boss, Chrissy. You don't know the thing up. I want to say big up my fans them all over the world. I don't know, big up all of my supporters them too. But give me a strength and make me reach right, so I'm there. Mad thing, enough love.
Now it's time to check out the video premiere of the week.
Feels so good when you hold me, touch me, tease me, say you wanna love me, love me, love me. Boy, come love me, love me, love me. Feels so good when you hold me, touch me, tease me, say you wanna love me, love me, love me. Boy, come love me, love me, love me.
Just one kiss of your lips, there's nothing sweet like this. Girl, you're perfect. Oh, you're so perfect. Girl, when you do what you do, I'm always amazed by you. You're so perfect. Oh, you're so perfect. That's why you're my number one. My number one. You're my number one. Girl, you're my number one. My number one. Girl, you're my number one. Hey, cause she am my number one girl on the block. Hey, hey, me in love, this is a fact. Hey, hey, the way you move, girl, the way you act. Swear to God, you make me heart beat stop. Hey. Me proud you are mine, girl, you all at the city. A little bit of Beyonce, a little bit of Nicki. Girl, me have to sing out that one you with Jippy. Cause me friend them ask, so you look so pretty. That's why you my number one. My number one. You're my number one. Girl, you're my number one. My number one. Girl, you're my number one. Tell her she a the number one, that's how the thing said. Yeah, look how she walk. My empress. She know she a number one and it not go change. Intelligent, yeah, perfect ways. She look like an angel, she must be sent from heaven. Some gyal a 5 and some gyal a 7. Them can't compare you to no other one. Cause you are my number one. Just one kiss of your lips, there's nothing sweet like this. Girl, you're perfect. Oh, you're so perfect. Girl, when you do I'm always amazed by you. You're so perfect. Oh, you're so perfect. That's why you're my number one. My number one. You're my number one. Girl, you're my number one. My number one. Girl, you're my number one. 'Cause it's like you take the shape of my heart.
You know, find that girl.
Having your hands.
Number one.
To do the best with it that you can.
When she walking in
no mistakes about you. I know
you have a tunnel
I
vision.
done the wrong thing when I chose
Hey girl.
you.
Speed kills. Don't be in a hurry to enter eternity. Now we head on to our second commercial break, but listen up to this accident prevention tip before we go, courtesy of Superior Parts Limited.
High speed often causes loss of control of steering the car and results in motor vehicle accidents. Road conditions are either favorable or unfavorable for speeding depending on the width of the road, number of cars during peak hours, and twists or turns of the lane. Pedestrian death is often associated with car accidents caused by speeding. Reduce your speed to protect a life. This tip is brought to you by Superior Parts Limited, making Honda affordable.